Yes, I really regret. Hindi ko na maakalain na ganyan pala sila eh. Yung statements ni Vice President Sara, napaka-immature. Kulang na kulang sa statesmanship. At saka hindi siya nag-aaral. Basta na lang siya nagsasalita ng kagaya dun sa healthcare issues. Hindi siya nag-aaral. Hindi niya chine-check kung ano yung binibigay ng PhilHealth. Yung mga sinasabi niya iba, hindi siya nag-aaral. She is totally detached from reality. I am not an ally. As a citizen, I supported President Duterte, former President Duterte, when he was the president because it is the duty and obligation of every Filipino citizen to support the president. But when his term ended, my support, of course, is to President Bongbong Marcos. As a Filipino, you have to support the government. You have to support the president. You have to support the administration. Pero ano ginawa ni former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte? Binastos niya si President Bongbong Marcos. Binastos niya ang gobyerno. At ngayon, gusto pa niya magkudita. Saan kayo nakakita na ganyan former president? Gusto niyang baliin at baliwalain ang konstitusyon. Gusto niyang lumabag sa batas ang mga military.